Okay, I know that sometimes there is nothing better than that big glass of ice cold water, just especially on a hot day. There is nothing better than it. I get it. But it turns out that cold water is actually not good for us at all. So in Ayurvedic medicine, it's believed that drinking cold water causes imbalances and it actually slows down digestion. So it dampens the fire, or what in Ayurveda they call the Agni, which is needed in order for us to digest food properly. And it turns out that room temperature water will actually hydrate us better than cold water, and especially after a workout. And it turns out it will make you sweat less, which is great. And lastly, in the colder months, we know that viruses thrive more in colder conditions, which is why we are more susceptible to colds and flu in the winter. So, keeping our insides warm with lovely warm drinks, or at least room temperature drinks during the winter months, will help immunity. So, there we go. All the reasons you need to stop drinking that freezing cold water.